Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a playlist based off of your songs on Spotify. So go to your songs and you're going to just select Control A and it's going to select all of the songs in your playlist. It is easier than this way than scrolling everything from top to bottom, especially if you have a lot of songs. Right click, add to playlist, and create playlist. And you're going to select the playlist. Here you can edit the details, rename the playlist, my liked songs, and press save. You can also choose a specific photo for that playlist as well. And to delete, just right click and press delete. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!